What's up, guys? Just gonna make a quick video on how we caught some pretty good trades today. Also some swing trades that I'm taking, my thoughts on those. So first, let's look at SPY. Again, we'll always look at that weekly chart. So SPY on the weekly, right? We still are making progress towards that upper end of the channel. Now, we did get good CPI news today. CPI came in line. Also, we had the Fed speaking about only doing a 25 BPS raise instead of 50 or 75. So it's looking like we're getting closer towards that flat rate level, or even rate cuts going into the end of the year. Anyway, let's look at that action that we had today. So today, went over this with the chat live. We got that nice move up, obviously, and then as soon as the market opened, we dumped, right? You saw that big dump down to this level here, okay? Now, if you take, you could either take yesterday's low or pre-market low. Let's just take pre-market low to this pre-market high of CPI, right? This is our fib retracement. You can see that we bounced right in the golden pocket, right here. Now, what else did we see right here? We also saw that this was where the market opened yesterday, right? So right around where the market opened yesterday is where we bounced. So I was looking around this 390, 350, 60 area. This 15-minute candle, I always use the 15-minute usually. This 15-minute candle didn't show us anything that was worth longing, right? So I didn't signal any longs, I just said to watch this area. However, when we started to get towards this area right here, right, this is where we wanted to see some support hold. So I'll show you in a sec on my main account what I did, but I did enter a few calls right at this level here. There was no confirmation. Now, when you don't have confirmation, but you like entering a zone because it's a good R to R, what you can do is size, 1/3 into the position. So if you're looking to put, let's just say 3K in it, you'll put $1,000 in there. And then when you get a confirmation candle like this, when the candle closed, that's when you size up the extra 2,000. So this is actually when we got this candle close here, we had a 15-minute hammer. This is when I signaled calls and we rode those up, trimmed some here. We got stopped out of a few here, and then we're just riding the rest into the rest of the week. Those were for Monday as well. So looking for a move up in the market still, held pretty well. Really what held up is the Dow, which is, the Dow here. And the Russell. So if you look at the Dow, right, the Dow's only 7% off all-time highs. Russell painting a nice pattern here, right, for a move up above this resistance here at 1890. So I'm looking for a nice squeeze in small caps to keep going. Some swings I have open, I'll show you in a second, but I'm running coin. I like coin here. Crypto's having a nice move, especially with coin looking to cut. They cut 20% of their workforce yesterday, as well as they are looking to get into some the SECs, like looking into them basically. And that's good because basically if they're able to get approved with the SEC and check out, then everything will look good for a move up with them, following the FTX collapse. So that's important. Let me just show you my TOS before the market closes while it's live. So we have live here coming in at about 31K on the day, 32. Let's see where we close. Market's about to close in like 20 seconds here. But you'll see I have these coin calls up really nicely on them. So that's a $45 call. We're already in the money on that. Took that before it was in the money. And then Tesla, right now I'm going to go over that when the market closes in a sec. I'm going to go over Twilio, and I took a little bit of a UNH gamble, nothing crazy, just a couple thousand there. So there's the close. Here's what we finished the day with. And yeah, where we're at. So let's go back to the charts. I want to show you guys Twilio, and I want to show you Tesla. Okay. Okay, so let's do Twilio first. Twilio, I like Twilio here because I actually got this one from Gandalf Trader on Twitter. You guys should definitely give him a follow if you haven't already. Looking like it's finally, right, going to break out of this weekly resistance here. Okay, if you look at the daily chart, looks even better. Okay, we have obviously what? a clear consolidation pattern here, right, with a strong candle today off of this 20 EMA and the 50 EMA. So that I can see going back towards that 55 level, top of this range here, possibly even a gap fill into the next coming months. That's what I'm looking for here. Gandalf's looking, I think, for 65 on that as well, which would be that gap fill. Tesla, I like Tesla as well. Tesla didn't actually moon this week with the market, right? It kind of consolidated a bit. So Tesla looked good and a strong push above 125 towards that 130 range, back towards this 20 EMA. So that's what I'm looking for on Tesla. UNH, I liked the chart a lot. I actually entered this trade on the challenge, and then I closed it for like a $50 profit because I didn't know earnings was tomorrow. So instead of taking a normal size position, I took a small position into earnings because I do think if we have a good earnings, the chart looked good to hold the support level, explode back above 500. That's it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. I try to make these short, bang them out in a quick 5-6 minutes, and have a good weekend.